Hello investors, Budget Investor here. How are we all doing today? So today's video we're going to dive into what it's like to invest with Sharesies. Signing up with Sharesies can be done in just 3 simple easy steps. Sign up, you only need to be at least 16 years of age and have a New Zealand bank account. You can also set up a kids account if someone is under the age of 18, but it'll also need to be linked to an adult account. Setting up is also a breeze. Simply, you just need to choose the amount you want to invest and set up a regular payment or a one-off from your bank account. And lastly, you just got to invest. So you can pick from a range of investments and build a portfolio that's right for you. On Sharesies, there is no minimum investment. You can do it from as little as 1 cent. So where do I find Sharesies? Is there a Sharesies app out there? Unfortunately, Sharesies doesn't have a downloadable app at the moment, but they are working on it, or at least looking into it. So your options at the moment are to access Sharesies through your web browser at sharesies.nz, or there is a workaround for your mobile phones. Again, this is not too difficult, no matter if you're using an Apple or Android device. You can add the Web App Bookmark to your home screen and it operates just like the app. To do this, all you'll have to do is go to the login page in your phone's web browser, find the share or settings button and save down to your home screen. This is really easy to do and I'll leave a link down in the description below so you can see the detailed instructions on exactly how easy it really is to do this. So let's take a look at what signing up entails. To sign up, it's really easy and it really does take no time at all. You can find an affiliate link to sign up in the description below. All you got to do is follow the prompts on the sign up page. And once you've gone through and filled out all your basic information, such as name, email, address, etc., then you just need to go through a quick ID verification. After that, you're good to go and get on to setting up. So once you're logged in, you'll see several menu options on the left. Settings being one of them has all the options to update your personal details, load in bank accounts and credit cards, notifications and much more. Updating your bank account will be important for the day you decide to withdraw your money, but to start investing, this is not required yet. Security gives you the option to enable 2FA or two-factor authentication, which I strongly recommend to protect your investment from unwanted intruders in the future. You don't want to put all this time and effort into creating a little nest egg only to lose it through poor security. And in settings is also where you can find the ability to create accounts for your kids. It's very easy and follows the same process to sign up as your adult account, but will associate the investments against your kids' names instead of yours, but you will still have access to and control over it as the parent. Back in the main menu options, the wallet is going to be your first step towards making an investment. Before you can purchase any shares, you'll need to deposit some money into your account. I would highly recommend using the top up with a bank transfer, as there are no transaction fees on this. However, topping up your wallet with a bank transfer can take a few hours on weekdays. Occasionally it can take a day. Over weekends and public holidays it could take a few days. It really all does depend on your bank and processing times. Debit and credit cards you can also top up by, but do incur a card transaction fee. As a new user though, your first top up on a debit or credit card up to $100 will be free and incur no fees. So if you really want to get started as soon as possible and you only want to start off with $100 or less to make that first investment purchase, you can use this option and then set up an automatic payment out of your bank account for future top-ups. I'll leave a link down in the description with more details on how exactly you go through and top up your wallet. Your next stop on the main menu, and this is where we're really getting into it, will be the invest option. From here you will be able to pick and choose your investments once the funds have been deposited into your wallet. There can be a lot that goes into picking an investment that is right for you. So check out my other videos where we go deeper into how to pick investments that are specific for you. For now though, within the invest menu, there's a really good learn the basics module. You can think of this as your FAQ or frequently asked questions module for Sharesies. This is really good at explaining in detail all the various features and investment categories that you might find on Sharesies. it's a really good place to bolster up some of your basic understanding of Sharesies and how investing on the platform works. And sometimes the easiest way to invest is really just by doing nothing at all. There is just so much to it, we just need to keep it simple stupid. Here in Sharesies we have a nice and easy auto invest option. Here you can pick an order, the amount you want to regularly invest, and just let auto invest do the rest for you. Simple. Sharesies has 2 pre-made orders where they worked with external experts to pick managed funds and exchange traded funds, also known as ETFs, and put them into pre-made orders so that you can invest regularly without any of the guesswork of what should you pick. The first pre-made order that Sharesies has is called the Global Order. The funds in this order invest in developed markets like the United States, Japan, Europe, Australia, and even New Zealand, and also emerging markets like Brazil, India, and China. You'll build a good global portfolio here with less exposure to the ups and downs of the individual countries or sectors. The second order they have is called the Responsible Order. The funds in this order invest in growth-focused companies that score really high up there on environmental, social, and governance, or ESG impacts, and excludes companies involved with gambling, weapons, and tobacco. You'll grow a diversified portfolio that focuses on much more than just the money and the bottom line here. So if you enjoyed this guide on how to get started investing with Sharesies, check out my other videos here on how I made $8,000 each year available so that I could continue to fund my investments, or that look into how to pick a good investment that is right for you.